Today's little beauty is called Little Diamond from the Optimara series. When you buy plants from the Optimara series, you can know that they are plants that have proven to be very, very easy and good growers. A lot of these plants will be found in the stores because they're very hardy. So if you're somebody who is hard on your plants, well, if you go with the Optimara series, you have good chances of success because, yeah, they've proven their traits are hardy. Very, very lovely little plant. It's pale green, pointed, and the thickness is medium, and they're not very thick leaves. It's a little, is it a semi-miniature or a miniature? I'm going to say that it's a miniature. But this may change, and I will add the description below. I just don't know by heart. I grow mine as a semi-miniature, and mine is going to grow in the 3-inch pot for the rest of its life. And you could, if it's a mini, you could go down to 2 inches. Just look down in the description. You'll find the accurate information because my head is not always accurate. Let's go in there. Let's go find... There's a nice sample. So pure white blooms, pure white petals, and dark purple inner inside the centers. Very, very nice. So the little pollen sacs pop out of this one because we don't notice them all in every plant, but in this one it pops out. And as you can see, it is a good bloomer. It blooms high, nice and high above the plants like I like. And let me see the bloom count. This one has 3. This one has 4. And this one has 4. So it's a good 3 to 4 blooms per bloom stalk, which is good. And it could bloom more than this. I'm not really doing anything special, so... And this was repotted about maybe 3 weeks ago. So it's just popping out in bloom. So there you go. So Little Diamond, cutie patootie. Hope you enjoyed and have a great day. Bye.